stop what you're doing right now because I'm challenging you to make $10,000 before January 1st hits. Look, I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit selling high-ticket consulting. In fact, I had my first $1,000 day when I was only 21 years old and my first $2,600 day at 22. By the way, when I give you these numbers, they're cash collected and over 96% of it is profit. So that doesn't even include revenue from contracts. And look, I'm not telling you this to brag. I'm telling you this because if I can do it, you can do it too. And that's exactly why I'm issuing you this challenge right now. Make $10,000 before January 1st. Now I hear you, but I don't know how to do it. Well, today's your lucky day because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'd do if I was starting over again and I had to make $10,000 before January 1st. Here's the harsh truth you really need to hear. If you don't start now, you'll never start. Period. You know what's going to happen? You're going to keep telling yourself you need to do more research, you need to read one more book, you need to watch one more YouTube video. You need everything to be perfect before you take action. And you know what happens to people like that? Absolutely nothing. They end up exactly where they are right now, scrolling through videos, consuming content, feeling productive but making $0. You ever notice those self-improvement YouTubers who make videos about how they read 100 books in a single year? Okay, that's a cool story, bro. But ask them what they remember from those books and they'll tell you some generic bullshit that could have been summarized in a 10-minute video. That's the trap. Consumption without action is only entertainment, so you may as well watch Netflix, it's pretty much the same thing. I've personally spoken with hundreds of people who told me they wanted to become financially free. Hundreds. So I'm not just talking about one or two people here. And almost every single one of them had the same goal. They all wanted to make $10,000 a month. They all had big dreams, they all had ambition, and they all had potential. But you know what? The harsh truth is that only about 1% of them will actually make it happen. And I can tell you exactly why. Most people don't act. They just don't. They love thinking about success. They love planning for success. They love talking about success. But when it comes to actually doing the uncomfortable, scary, difficult work that success requires, they disappear. They retreat back into their comfort zone where it's safe and warm and nothing ever changes. Let me be brutally honest with you. Little sissies don't get rich. People who move fast do. While you're sitting there overthinking every little decision, someone else is out there taking action, making mistakes, learning, and getting closer to their goals. Speed beats perfection. I'd rather see you fail fast and learn than spend 6 months planning something that never actually happens. Do you really think that every successful person you admire had it all figured out before they started? Hell no. They figured it out along the way. They moved fast, they made mistakes, they broke things, fixed them, and kept moving. That's how you play the game if you want to make fuck you money. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, let me tell you what keeps 99% of people broke. It's not lack of intelligence. It's not lack of opportunity. It's something called shiny object syndrome. They can't focus long enough on one thing to actually succeed at it. They may start with dropshipping, then they see someone making money with affiliate marketing, so they switch to that. Then they hear about crypto, so they dump everything into that. And then they see someone talking about Amazon FBA, so they jump to that immediately. And you know what happens? They fail at everything because they never gave anything enough time or effort to actually work. I can guarantee you that 99% of people who invested in crypto thinking they were gonna strike it rich lost everything. And it's not because crypto is bad or because it's not profitable. It's because they approached it with a get-rich-quick mindset. They didn't understand it. They didn't study it. They just saw dollar signs and jumped in. Well, that's not investing, that's gambling. And the house always wins when you're gambling. Here's the thing about human nature. We always default to what seems to be the path of least resistance. And that's actually normal. We're wired that way. But that's exactly why most people won't stay broke. They'll try the shitty dropshipping videos that promise you'll make $10,000 a month with zero effort. They'll try affiliate marketing, promoting products that they've never used. They'll try every shortcut and hack and loophole. But they never take the time to actually analyze the business model on a fundamental level. They never ask themselves, does this actually make sense? Is there a real value being created here? What's the profit margin? No. They just chase the money and wonder why it never comes to them. So what's the solution? What's the actual path to making $10,000 before January 1st? Sell expensive stuff. I'm dead serious. Forget about those $20 ebooks. Forget about the $49 a month score communities unless you already have a massive following on social media. If you've got 1 million followers on Instagram or YouTube, then sure, you can pretty much sell anything and get away with it. But if you're starting from scratch or you have a small audience, low ticket products are going to keep you broke. That I can guarantee. Even if you could sell that, you know what you'd make more money doing? Selling the right thing at the right price. If you can sell something high ticket, meaning between $1,000 to $10,000 or more, it's ridiculously easy to make $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a month. Just do the math with me. If you sell something for $3,000, you only need 4 clients to make $12,000. Just 4. If you sell something for $5,000, you need 2 clients to hit $10,000. Just 2. Like that's it. All you need is 1 to 10 clients a month to make the kind of money that will change your life forever. Compare that to trying to sell a $20 product where you'd need 500 sales just to make $10,000. And most of it won't necessarily be profit. So which sounds easier to you? But here's where people get stuck. They ask me, what do I sell? What can I possibly offer that's worth at least $1,000 or more? And the answer is actually simpler than you think. What we sell is consulting or a service around a painful problem. You have to understand that people pay for painkillers, not vitamins. Nobody wakes up in the morning desperately wanting a vitamin. But when you have a splitting headache, you'll pay whatever it takes for that painkiller. Business works the same way. Find a painful problem that people desperately want solved and offer to solve it for them. Now, what are some painful problems? Businesses that can't get more clients. People who can't lose weight no matter what they try. They're the people who tried tons of diets and workout programs before and it never worked for them for some reason. Professionals who can't land a high-paying job. Entrepreneurs who can't scale past a certain revenue level. Companies that are hemorrhaging money on ineffective marketing. These are very painful problems. These keep people up at night. And if you can solve a painful problem, you can charge premium prices because the value you provide is worth way more than what you charge. Now, right now you may be thinking, but I don't know how to solve those problems. Like, I'm not an expert, I don't have any credentials or degrees, and that brings me to the final and the most important point. Invest in yourself. You don't know what you don't know. This is the biggest lesson I've ever learned in business. I spent an entire year trying to make money online by myself with no help because I thought I knew better, and I made $1,000 for the whole year. $1,000. I was watching tons of free YouTube videos, reading free blog posts, trying to figure it all out on my own because I didn't want to spend money. I was in a scarcity mindset. I thought I was being smart. I thought I was being resourceful, but really, I was just being cheap and scared. Then I finally swallowed my pride and paid a mentor to teach me how they were actually making tons of money, and everything changed. Within just months, I started making thousands of dollars a month, then a week, and then thousands per day. I didn't work harder, but I learned what actually worked from someone who was getting the kind of results I wanted. They showed me the shortcuts, they fixed my mindset, they showed me the mistakes to avoid, they showed me exactly what to focus on and what to ignore. By myself, I had literally been hitting my head against the wall, making the same mistake over and over again, and I couldn't even see it. That investment in myself was the best decision I ever made. And here's what's crazy. Most people will spend $90,000 on a college degree that might get them a $40,000 a year job, but they won't even spend $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, hell, even $5,000 learning a skill that could make them $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a month. Like, it makes no sense. If you are a cheap fuck, I'm sorry to say you won't stay broke. That's how things work. The return on investment from learning high-income skills is insane compared to almost anything else that you could do with your money. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. So here's my challenge to you again. Make $10,000 before January 1st. Is it possible? Absolutely. Is it easy? Hell no. Will most people do it? Probably not. But the ones who do, the ones who actually take action on what I just told you, they're going to look back at this moment as the turning point. The moment they decided to stop being comfortable. The moment they decided to move fast and make money instead of overthinking. The moment They decided to focus on one thing that works instead of chasing shiny objects for years. The clock is ticking. You can watch this video, feel inspired for 5 minutes, and then go right back to scrolling like 99% of people. Or you can do something different. You can be part of the 1% that actually does things. The choice is yours. But I'm telling you right now, if you want different results, you need to make different choices. If you'd like me to help you build a profitable online business, starting from scratch, to reach financial freedom as quickly as possible, I've made a free training. The link for it is in the description below. It'll teach you everything that you need to get started, and you can also apply to book a call with me or a member of my team so we can help you to implement everything and see exactly what's blocking you from making more money right now. We do have very limited spots, so check that out right now, and I will see you on the other side.